Ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Samidoh hamwe na Edday ni matiga mashabiki ao na gikeno kinene thutha wa ere acio kuonania wendo o riri ndeto egie Samidoh kurihira ciana ciake na Karen Nyamu International Schools iragithie na mbere go trend guku bururi-ini before guonie uria Edday na Samidoh magikorwo makihoria ndeto icio. Njitikiria gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gwitikira guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithuĩ. Uyu arauga ndio manake mama Kiwinya ako na machungu hivi. Some of the comments fans a Samidoh na Edday makorwo makitindika guku nenda-ini thutha wa kuona uria Samidoh hamwe na Edday makorwo makihoria ndeto icio iragikoretwo igi trend. Samidoh through manager wake arakorirwo akianirira na kuga ati he will be taking a break from performances ciake guku bururi-ini for 1 month mweri uyu wa Juni. No Samidoh ndanakorwo agitenderithia what he will be doing riri arakioya gaburiki, but some of his fans maragikorwo makigesa ati ni akoha thabari nginyagia kuria USA gugicamania na Edday na ciana ciao. Edday later posted this photo iri aragikorwo igitiga andu na some nice reaction. Ari aragikorwo akiuga ati gaka ni gabica gake ga gukenerera weekend. She was dressed in a figure hugging red dress gakuo gatigite andu na miario mingi muno. But before ona marikitie kwaria, best friend wake Bani Sharoni posted this photo makire na Samidoh in the same scene. Edday took her photo na fans marakorwo makinyitithania emwe na emwe na marakorwo magitaũkwo ati Samidoh is already in the USA. Uyu akiuga same background with mama boys. Do you guys get what I am saying? Anyway, you look pretty. Fans excited kurana ati Samidoh took off live performances kana took off time ciago perform guku bururi-ini just to join his family kuria USA. Uyu akiuga I am happy to see Samidoh with his family in the USA. Do you think Samidoh is in the USA? Kana ici ne bica cia hau gatene fans marakenyitithania emwe na emwe mageciria ati Samidoh ari America. Ndigũcitenderithia makiria ndaciaria toria cianginyira. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni maria marakiyumiria.